धत्राय धीमहि तन्नो भूमिः।
Soil security holds the key to food security, and soil security is a need of the hour.
Life is an interdependent, self-sustaining system.
Organic matter is the soul of the soil.
The health of the population is directly connected to the health of the soil.
A teaspoon of healthy soil contains as many microbes as a population of humans on the earth. Human intervention in the last few decades with unsustainable inorganic farming techniques have not only proven detrimental to soil but also to plant, animal and human health. We need to heal and save Earth from imminent and certain cataclysm. That's where Dr. Hegde's Bhusiri and Bomitra come to our help.
Bhusiri is a unique instant manure maker and first of its kind in the world. While natural decomposition of waste to organic manure takes over 40 to 60 days, all it takes for Bhusiri to process and produce organic manure pellets is just 3 minutes.
It comprises 3 divisions: the ground unit, the manure maker, and the laboratory. Ground unit is where the organic waste is fed into. It chops and crushes the residue into fine particles. The fine particles then get sucked into the manure maker. The particles are electronically treated in there, decomposed, enriched with the required measure of soil nutrients. Bhusiri machine is portable. The truck can be parked in the farm. It's eco-friendly and can convert even forest waste and urban stubble into organic manure, preventing forest fire and stubble fire in cities. Bhusiri offers to help farmers get specific organic manure they need for their specific crops. Bomitra is the instant soil tester laboratory. Bomitra analyzes 23 quality parameters of soil to determine the measure of nutrients to be infused into the soil through organic manure. Bomitra, the electronically controlled laboratory, performs soil fertility tests, including nutrient deficiencies and soil health as fast as it gets. Bhusiri, equipped with Bomitra, goes to the farmer, to his farm, no matter where, and delivers the service where he needs it, saving time, energy and cost as never before.
It can produce 2 tons of manure in 1 hour. Cost of cultivation reduces and the quality of the food increases.
Here is an excellent intervention for converting waste into organic matter.
The water holding capacity of the soil increases phenomenally.
Bhusiri can play an important role in reviving the soil health.
The nation needs a sustainable way to move forward. Humans in general need it.
ನಮ್ಮ ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ನಾಗರಾಜ್ ಸಾಧನೆ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ವರ್ಣನೆ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಶಬ್ದಗಳು ಸಿಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ.
ಆಹಾರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ಬೆಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ರೀತಿಯ ತಂತ್ರಜ್ಞಾನದ ಮೂಲಕ ನಾವು ಕೃಷಿಯನ್ನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸುವ ಅಗತ್ಯ ಇದೆ.
ಆದ್ರೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಗೊಬ್ಬರವನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಬಹಳ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ವಿಷಯ ಮತ್ತು ನಮ್ಮ ರೈತ ಬಾಂಧವರಿಗೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಕೊಡುಗೆ.
To save Earth from impending catastrophe, we need to save the soil. A return to sustainable organic farming with organic manure makes the mantra. Dr. Hegde's Bhusiri with Bomitra is India's own indigenous disruptive technological solution for soil health management. Instant, portable, organic manure maker. First of its kind in the world, the winner of National Award for Best Innovative Technology in Agricultural Waste Management. Life transforming, life saving.